Hey, what's up, guys? Kevin and I just got here to Vinny's house. Alright, we're here. Alright, bye. Vinny just got the Mini Cooper cleaned up by Supremeshine. If you guys haven't heard of them, or if you live in the area and you're looking for somebody who does good detail work at a good price, or just want to get a quick wash or anything, definitely go to them. They do really good stuff. I'll put their link in the description. But yeah, we're waiting for Vinny to answer the door. Usually he answers.
Or he greets us.
Yeah.
It's like, hey, welcome, sons.
Yeah, usually he's like,
I can hear you coming down my street. I'm Vinny. I'm the dad.
Kids really loud exhaust.
what's up, dude?
Cheers.
Banana cam.
No, literally, I left there, my car was spotless. See all the dust? It's everywhere.
Yeah, that's Philly
This is
for you.
not from them.
They're doing construction everywhere right
Well,
now.
all the roads are fucked.
Yeah.
But yeah, so my car was clean, it's like spotless. This one wheel is awkwardly shiny.
That's a good wheel.
Are you doing yoga mat installs?
Dang, dude, putting yoga mats in there. Holy crap.
Yeah, that's how you threw a prize beat swap in a Crown Vic. You fucking ruined the floor.
Oh, I thought that was a pizza box, but it's not.
It's a clutch.
Dang, that's what kind of pizza is that?
Yeah, I sold the stock trans pretty quick.
Yeah, that's awesome.
In 5 minutes.
That's
Did
crazy.
you put on Craigslist?
No, I put it on some like P71 form. I was trying to trade it. This guy was like, I'll buy that right now. I was like, okay.
Delete the post.
I was like, $300, please. And then this other dude was like, I asked for it first, man. That's a foul.
It's a foul?
I was like, whoever shows up with $300 can have the fucking trade.
Yeah.
I don't have time to
Don't
like.
give me that.
Yeah, like this isn't
Well,
an
I
auction.
asked for it first while you're some random person on the internet.
There's 75.
We met a fan today.
You did?
Yeah.
Who?
Well, not, I mean, nobody that knew us, but now he knows us. This guy was just chatting up Kevin in the post office parking lot.
He's asking about coilovers.
What do you have?
He drives some type of Honda or Acura.
Acura. Here's like an Acura.
Yeah, I don't know. He started following us on Instagram right there in the parking lot. So shout out to you if you're watching this. All right, so I'm sure everybody knows one of the ugliest things about my car, besides the broken grill right now, is that my cheap eBay lip is shattered in a few spots. So yeah, I ordered this OEM ABS plastic Mark III VR6 lip. So it's gonna go on. You have to do a little bit of modifying. I've done it once before. I believe I have to cut this corner clip out. I'm gonna take the old lip off to see what I had to cut out. Kevin's gonna back my car up for me. So yeah, gonna jack the front lip up right now because currently this lip.
You do one side at a time, so we don't have to put the front on jack stands. We might have to move it when the guy comes back with his truck.
That's fine. I screwed this one in so that way it wouldn't move. So I gotta jack it up to get under there and unscrew all the screws. These are all the screws that I gotta take out. My car's gonna tip over.
Flip it.
Like I could flip it right now. What?
Pick it up. Bro,
Yeah.
go get my drill. It'll bake it quick.
Okay.
It's in the kitchen.
Get this drill, it'll bake it quick.
There's 2 drills. Grab them both.
Okay. Is the dog in there?
Nope.
Dude, check out this lip. If anybody wants to buy it, hit me up. I'll autograph it or whatever.
Hold on, let me see underneath. There's like no texture to it at all. Damn.
Yeah, so I drove my car into the ocean, got into a fight with a great white, and I was to tell about it.
Oh, they're down here?
Yeah, I can actually reach them better from right here if you want.
Ready? I'll get them started. Teamwork. Sorry.
Oh my god. That's gonna be so hard to get out of there now.
No, it's not. Don't worry. Not when you have the power of Jesus and anime on your side.
Don't fuck with me! I have the power of God and anime on my side! Wait!
Ralph's new spaceship.
I want to be a cowboy, baby.
He kicked us out of the garage.
Oh, Dad's mad again. Dad kicked me out of the garage.
Dad, let me help. What are you doing, Dad? What's that do, Dad? What's for dinner?
What is for dinner? That's a good question.
Oh, yeah.
You guys want to do some dinner?
Got the lip on.
My belly's out.
You're looking a little fat there, bud.
Yeah.
Also very hairy.
I'm not hairy.
See, those are like 7, 8 pieces there.
I decided to screw it back in because I don't feel like fixing this on the side of the road when I hit something and the lip falls off. So it's being screwed back in place.
Ralph, your car's not even low, bro. Can you go show them a real low lip?
There's Ralph's lip.
My lip is literally on the ground.
There's Vinny's lip. Got about 2 fingers.
You know what I also hate? How this bumper isn't lined up properly on the car.
More about your dong, less about this,
My dong.
Yeah, Ralph, I know. All your ex-girlfriends told me how big your dong was.
Why are they telling you how big my dong was?
Because they were dating you at the time.
Hey Kevin, you want to know something? Ralph, dog, massive. Donkey Kong.
Make sure your feet don't go in the street.
What if I want them to?
Well, then you can just use your dong as a kickstand.
All right, so the car looks a little bit better now with the
I
new,
said NASCAR.
with the new lip. So, a friend of mine is sending me a badgeless grill in the mail, so hopefully that'll come soon. All right, that wasn't supposed to happen. This grill is completely trashed. So Vinny was parking my car and he already scraped the lip.
Did I scrape it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but
Damn it, dude, I'm sorry.
it's on the bottom. Put your hand right here.
Oh, you're gonna scrape it up more than that on the way home.
Oh yeah. I was explaining on how crappy this grill is, and I touched it and then it just fell apart. Yeah, Kevin's been experiencing some noise, so we're checking his x-rays because he hit a bump on the highway, so we're trying to figure out what that noise is.
Now put it in the first gear and then slowly let off the clutch without giving it gas. That.
Only that doesn't at first, though.
Yeah, only when it's going into gear. Like from a standstill.
That vibration, yeah, I could hear it. Yeah, I don't know if you could hear it on video, but when you take off it, here.
Also, nah.
What?
I was gonna say the back left tire looks a little cambered out instead of the right.
Yeah, they both are.
Yeah. I think when it's stepping it up, since it started to settle, it started to be a little more buoyant.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry our videos have been a little bit scattered lately. When we usually do stuff, we never really have a lot of the same days off, so we all try to do a little bit of work to each car that we can instead of just focusing one video on one car. I guess that's something that we should do for future videos. But for right now, it's been a little bit, it's still the tail end of winter, so it's cold. So when we get a day that's like today, we try to do a few things to each car, at once. But later on, we'll be focusing and trying to make some more how-tos on specific things.
Mm-hmm. With the know-how to do the how-to.
Yeah.
Not like our first time doing it, so we're kind of learning as we go.
Yeah. Also, gonna do some like small cinematic stuff. We only film with a GoPro and sometimes Vinny's older DSLR, so we don't have like too great of a camera to do cinematic stuff with. But yeah, I'm gonna film some stuff. I'm probably gonna film something on Vinny's car. But yeah, sorry for the scattered videos right now, but
Scatterbrains.
yeah, we just kind of jumble to do things kind of whenever we have the time.
Yeah, you just gotta pull it hard.
One, all your stuff is like super tight. Did you notice that? It's all really hard to like push and stuff.
See, when I used Ralph's clutch pedal, I was like, this is way too soft because I feel like I have to pull it with my foot. Oh, this one just kind of springs back for me.
Yeah, no, but it's like might have like a stage 2 clutch in it.
That would be nice.
Because when it grabs, it's like
It catches you a little bit.
because this pressure plate feels because that resistance you feel is the pressure plate.
Mm-hmm.
That's hard to push. That's like
Was that the first time you've driven that?
yeah.
What do you think?
I like it. That's stage 2.
We think we found what the noise is. We think that the X brace on the bottom of this, because it's a convertible, we think the X brace got smashed up a little bit so that it's rubbing onto the bottom of the trans. So when you move the car, like when you put it into first or in reverse, that it's just, you know, the trans moves a little bit. So we think it's just rubbing on the X
It's where it
brace.
needs to be.
Yep.
So we're gonna try to bend the X brace down, just to give it that much clearance that it needs, instead of having to buy a whole new X brace, which is apparently $250, right?
Yeah, around 200, 250.
Wow, that's so funny. That's the difference. It's like that whole piece of metal on a Ford is $65, and it's way more structural.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll be able to get that sound out.
That's where I hit on the X brace. So we're adding a couple spaces so it doesn't rub against the trans.
Hold up.
What, you're throwing more spacers in for camber?
Yeah. X brace camber. Makes you tighter around the corners.
Wait, why do you have an X brace? You're not even straight edge.
God damn it.
That's a joke for all of our straight edge viewers.
All 3 of them.
The ones that are in the club.
Yeah.
Alright.
What'd you do? You just put spacers?
Yeah. Spaces in the front so the trans isn't rubbing on the X brace. Key should still be in there. Just give it a nice pull.
Now it's a different kind of rub.
Well,
That one was
that's
bad.
normal. I've heard that before.
Hey, where's this word back here? Pull it on ramps. So we can get the impact driver and just pull it off.
Pull it off. Yeah. Well, we can do that after everything's done. At least it sounds better.
And at least you know what it is, so like when
Yeah.
we have the day to actually get it up and pull it off.
Just don't want it to damage the trans.
Yeah.
Just rub it a little.
Does it only do it when you first take off? It doesn't do it when
Yeah,
you
it doesn't
drive?
do it any other time. Or at least all the other noises that come with the car drown it out.
Alright, so we're all driving somewhere. Going for a little drive real quick. What happened? You think you hit a pothole?
I think I definitely smashed it. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I didn't
Tire
see.
pressure light.
Well, that's fine. That's always there because I don't have the sensors.
Okay.
You alright? So Vinny hit a speed bump, so we're checking to see if everything's alright.
Smashed. Is my rim gone?
What is what?
What is that? Pokemon ball.
Dang, he caught a Pokemon! Come here! Dang, dude, you caught a Pokemon. He caught a Pokemon.
Steering. Looks like your steering wheel.
Oh my god, I think I broke the steering rack, dude. There's no power steering.
Is it dumping out fluid?
Nah, there's no fluid leaking. Does it feel harder?
Dude, I can't even turn it.
Turn your car off and then turn it back on.
I must have broke the sensor off the power steering or something.
Did he get to your steering rack?
That's crazy though. That's crazy.
Back at Vinny's house now. We're gonna see if the power steering went in his car.
So, from what I can see.
Smash right here.
Yeah. But where's your power steering reservoir?
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. You should just say, hey Vinny, Brian, Kevin, and Chris, thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for everybody that watches the videos. We don't have a lot of viewers on this channel, but we appreciate the viewers we have. Thanks for watching. What?
You guys have viewers, it's crazy. Who would want to watch?
We don't have viewers because instead of having a 240, we have cop cars.
Hey, man!
Chris is about to go sell the Mighty Max. So, say goodbye to the Mighty Max. There, dude. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.